You should be able to put in money and start making money hand over fist, but the ROAS isn't there, even though their purchase conversion rate is great. They only have two things that they can work on at this point. Number one, they can raise the average purchase conversion value by doing bundles or some other things, gets them a little bit closer, or they can figure out how to write better copy on the sales page to get more people to add to cart. See, our ads in this case study are only going to do so well unless we change another channel, like then really lower the CPM by maybe going to Pinterest or TikTok. Our ads, the ad creative actually isn't the problem. The problem comes down to really the add to cart, how many people are hitting the landing page and adding to cart, and the average revenue that they are seeing when somebody leaves checkout. So the main things that the client really needs to focus on here in this case study is what can they do to even raise the value, let's just say the average cart value to $40, puts them right exactly where they need to be. So, well, if we make all these changes, we use these different levers, we know exactly what to do to influence realistic changes. This is a huge 40% jump. The only way you're going to get this kind of jump is by hiring professional copywriters, designing a professional sales page, and then really testing pricing in your market, because these are the two big levers that we were not able to pull for the client, where the client went out and hired some professional help on how to increase their bundle size and to write better copy on their sales page. So again, this is going to give a 7-day plan of exactly what to do next. I hope this gives you some insight on exactly how these fix finders work. Thanks again for checking out our Advertiser Fix Finder e-commerce case study. Our Advertiser Fix Finders are designed to assist people who have run ads in the past for a specific offer or a website, or if you're currently running ads for an offer or a website. Now, our Advertiser Fix Finders are currently designed to really help live real-world situations versus hypothetical situations that only produce pie-in-the-sky returns if everything lines up correctly. So just to be clear, our Advertiser Fix Finders work for people who are currently running ads. Now, we're in the final stages of creating several of these different Advertiser Fix Finders to account for different types of marketing funnels. And again, this is where you come in. So what we're doing is we're holding an Advertisers Fix Finder 30-day sprint. And this is going to start May 4th. That's Monday, May 4th. See, we want to help you with your ads and your funnels, just like I did in this example, while leveraging our different Advertiser Fix Finders to get you more sales and leads quickly, to know exactly what to work on. So for a limited period of time, we're going to grant you access to all of our Advertiser Fix Finder tools, accompanied with a gamified training center with videos, tools, resource links, recommended experts, live support, and a private Facebook group. See, we want to work with you in a 30-day sprint to help you improve your ads and your funnels, or your clients' ads and funnels. So you're going to get lifetime access to all of our Advertiser Fix Finder tools, lifetime access to our gamified membership site and dedicated training modules, resource links, expert referrals, unlimited support inside of our Facebook group starting right now through May 31st, 2022. Now, you're also going to get live Ask Me Anything sessions with our team every single week, just to make sure you don't leave any stone unturned, and handheld support. So moving forward, you always know exactly what is wrong and how to fix your ads and funnels, right? It's just like how to teach a man or woman how to fish and they can feed themselves for lives. So here's how the 30-day Advertiser Fix Finder Sprint is going to work. Once you register for the Advertiser Fix Finder Sprint, you're going to go ahead and be taken to a following page to ask you a few questions about your business, your offer, and your goals. The page is going to look something like this. Once you've filled out the onboarding form, you're going to be taken to the Facebook group link. Between now and the start of the 30-day sprint, we will be reviewing your goals, marketing funnels to see how we can best assist you in this dedicated time together. Now, shortly after you fill out the form, we're going to be sending you an email on gaining access to the gamified training portal with all of your Advertiser Fix Finder tools, trainings, and resources. Now, this is going to give you time to dive into the Advertiser Fix Finder tools, trainings, and resources and have a running start once we go live. And again, this is all going to start Monday, May 2nd, 2022. So we're going to kick off the challenge with a 30-day challenge by gathering the starting numbers. During the sprint, we're going to be dropping additional resources, links, tools, expert interviews into the group to help address any issues that you run into along the way. Each Tuesday at 10 a.m., we're going to be hosting daily live Ask Me Anything sessions to get all of your questions answered and help you analyze your ads and your funnels with specific Advertiser Fix Finder tools. So we can pinpoint exactly what levers that you need to pull to maximize your results. Now, keep in mind, this is an active 30-day sprint. We want to know where you started and you ended up after the challenge. Now, we're going to be taking you through the exact same tools and processes that we use in our advertising agency for Black Box and Molly Marketing. This is the same process that we use to leverage on our $1,000 consulting calls. We really want to make this a no-brainer decision to join the 30-day sprint. So you can leverage the power of our Advertiser Fix Finder tools and finally know exactly what to do when you run into trouble. And once you know exactly what to fix on your own, you can decide if you want to fix it on your own, if you want to ask an expert done with you solutions, or if you just want it done for you and just get direct access to the done for you experts. Now, listen up. We like working with people who make quick decisions and take swift action. These type of people are who we see get the biggest results from these tools